In this video, we're going to be going over extrusions. An extrusion extends a 2D sketch in a certain direction to create a 3D form. To show you this, we're going to be using virtual reality. And in this first example, we're going to be extruding a circle to create a cylinder. To start, you'll begin with a sketch of a circle on a plane. Here you can see the blue circle on an orange plane. And to extrude that 2D sketch, it is extended in one direction, or it can be extended in both directions. Either way, both create a cylinder. Keep in mind, extrusions can also be used to remove material from solids and add material to existing solids. To illustrate this, we've added a sketch of a square onto the end of that cylinder. And when that square is extended in one direction, it adds to the form. When it's extended in the opposite direction, it cuts into the previous cylinder. This is also known as an extrude cut. To show you how easily extrusions can be brought to life, we're going to be making a coffee cup. The first step is to extrude a circle, but this time it's going to be a little different. It's actually tapered outwards as it extends. Tapering just means that the top circle is now larger than the bottom, resulting in the bottom being narrower than the top. Next, a sketch of a smaller circle at the top is used as an extrude cut so that the coffee cup is hollowed out. This extrude cut is also tapered, but this time tapered inwards to follow the shape of the cup. Now for the lid, you go back to the top and create a larger circle and extrude that upwards. Next, a smaller circle is made on top that is extruded outwards with a slight taper inwards to create the top of the lid. Now another circle is made and an extrude cut is made to create the lip of the lid. Next, a small slot, which is an oval-like shape, is drawn on the edge of the lip. Now an extrude cut is made that goes through the lid. Finally, the material is changed and we have a coffee cup, made from just simple extrusions, with most of them only utilizing a circle as that sketch. You can see here how extrudes can easily be used to bring any design to life. And this is just the beginning of what extrudes can do. We'll be linking more resources down below if you want to learn more about extrudes.